When the government kills over 500 people and can't be sued. Why is that? Let's unpack sovereign immunity once again. So this was actually a 1947 case where a federal ship containing fertilizer exploded in Texas City, killing 500 people. There was a Federal Tort Claims Act which allowed people to bring lawsuits, but the Supreme Court decided here that the government can't be sued, and this is the important part, when performing discretionary actions, meaning if we made decisions to do something on a policy level, we can't be sued. So basically the government gets a free pass and they get to say, well, we'll agree to be sued on car accidents, for example. So negligence in a traditional setting, yes. Liability, no. And this actually goes all the way back to one of the first or second settings of the Supreme Court. We actually had a constitutional amendment which created sovereign immunity. Why? Because a man in Georgia was suing the government over debts. Sovereign immunity protects the government and policy decisions, particularly when they are just discretionary. And interestingly enough, a case where 500 people died because fertilizer exploded wasn't enough to move the needle. It actually strengthened the protections for the government from being sued. So if you have a question about that, you want to sue a public school or a city, reach out to us. Do we need to look at repealing sovereign immunity so that people can sue the government in more situations like that? Let me know what you think.